Moving is emotional and stressful. You're not just packing boxes, you're packing a part of your life. The blanket my grandma knitted, my family photos, those things aren't replaceable. I needed to feel like someone actually understood that.
Our role is to relieve the stress of moving. We can deliver a secure box to your driveway. You pack it on your schedule, and when you're ready, we move it or we store it for you. It's your space, your pace. And our team is incredibly organized and professional. So you know it's going where it needs to go, safe and on time.
There was no rush, no truck waiting outside, just space to breathe.
I recently downsized. After 22 years in one home, I needed time. Time to decide what to keep, what to let go of. I wasn't ready to rush that process. The storage box gave me that breathing room, physically and emotionally. My memories were still close, just safely out of the way.
Every storage box is thoroughly cleaned and inspected upon return. Every movement of a box is done with our tilt-free system, so your contents stay safe and level. And when you call, you speak directly to a member of our team who's ready to help.
It wasn't just storage. It was a transition tool.
Everything was exactly how I left it. That meant a lot.
I'd recommend it without hesitation.
They gave me the time and space I didn't know I needed.
You're trusting us with a part of your life. That's not something we take lightly.